Hey folks, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approves. And today we're going to take a walk around this beautiful brand new 2026 Ram 2500 Limited, guys. So this one's going to come in the Billet Silver with the black accents on it. You're going to have 360 cameras on this one, adaptive cruise control, 6.7 engine underneath with that ZF8 transmission. You're going to have your mirror lights here, heated mirrors. Taking a look inside the passenger seat here, you see you have your beautiful leather seats. Right here, you're going to have your 10.25-inch passenger display, the limited mats that come along with this one, guys. Into the rear seat here, as you can see, these will lift up, giving you guys some extra storage underneath here. So if you guys needed it, as well as you will have some bins under here for some extra storage. Taking a walk around the rear here, you're going to have your backup camera on this one, trailer brake control, or your pins and wiring and all that good stuff. Back here, bed liner, you're going to have bed hooks, bed lighting, as well as you're going to have your fifth wheel prep, guys, so you will not need to worry about that. You're all set up to work from day one. Rear sliding window here. In here, gas tank, so diesel, DEF, nice and easily accessible into the rear seat from this side. You're going to have heated seats in the back, 4 different charging outlets or charging ports, as well as an outlet in there. Getting into the driver's side here, you see you have your beautiful black Ram accent 14.4-inch display, digital mirror in there, guys. Adjustable pedals, memory seats, power windows, mirrors, everything you want this truck has, guys. If it interests you, give us a call, 780-942-3629.